Hey everybody, it's Ice Jeep Will. This is how to make an airsoft grenade. So what you're going to need is an M1000. This is probably the best kind of firecracker you can use. M1000. You need an Easter egg and razor knife. I forgot what it's called. You need some tape. And this is optional: spray paint, black spray paint, and airsoft BBs. So let's get started. Here, hold this. Okay, so you get an M1000 and an egg. Pop the egg open, your knife. So you need to decide where it will go. Decide where it will go. Let's see, right here. Make a mark. Make a mark in there, and then close it, and then you make a hole wherever that mark was. So this is a little bit time consuming, so I'm going to stop the video and show you once I'm done. Okay, so I got it. So here's the hole right there. So you can fit that in there. I'm going to do it on this side. You fit it in there, and you close it just to make sure you know it fits. Yep, mine fits. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to get your BBs. Yes, I know it's in a paintball container. And fill up side that has the explosive in it. So you're going to fill it up about to the top. Okay, and once you have that, you will fill up the other side, just not completely full, most of the way full, but not completely. So about that much. So you'll have a pretty even amount. And so now what you're going to do is carefully, there you go, and now you got it together. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your masking tape. Yes, this is new masking tape, I just thought. And so you can just tape down here, and then tape the other side. Yep, and so you light the fuse, throw it, and yeah, so then you have an airsoft grenade. And if you want to paint it, cover the fuse with the tape, spray it, and I will show you the finished result. It's right here. And so that's what it will look like when you're done. I didn't do a very good paint job, but that's what it should look like. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so here goes. Just stand back. Just like. Okay, here goes. That was the airsoft grenade. So comment, rate, and